Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Make a Fun Bow. So I'm going to take some of our wonderful Bowdabra ribbon. So I'm going to take my wire, I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and lay it into my Bowdabra. So we're going to fold it in half and then tuck it underneath. So now what I'm going to do is take some of our Bowdabra snowflake ribbon, and we're just going to, I just cut some pieces. We're just going to lay it, and what's cool is we have this wonderful snowflake ribbon in a whole bunch of different colors. And we'll just fold this in here. And this is one of my favorite ribbons, and then this is our gleam ribbon. What's great is these ribbons all come on 50-yard rolls, so definitely check out our Bowdabra ribbon. I'm just going to lay all these in here. Take some of my silver, and I've already dovetailed the ends just so you guys don't have to watch me dovetail. And put this in here and lay this in. I really love the snowflake ribbon, and we have it in so many cool colors. And brush that. Take the gleam, top it off with my beautiful teal snowflake. And then from the dollar store, I got this great ornament that I really loved. So now I'm going to take my wire and bring it up and just pull this through my slip knot. I'm going to hold the ornament up a little bit so it gets, there we go. Pull everything really tight, pull it out of my Bowdabra. And of course this ornament is so heavy, I'm going to have to cheat here and pull it up through and separate the ends. I probably should have used a silver Bowdabra bow wire on this, but we won't tell. So now I'm just going to pull that tight. I'm going to pull this around to the back and just tie that in so that my ornament stays where I want it. So I'm just tying this in. And now I'm just going to bring all we have to do is just pull everything apart. So this is such a super simple bow. And what I love is that you can use all the different ribbons, even if you have just scraps of ribbon. So isn't that just so pretty and so super simple to make?